The next type of figurative language we're going to learn about is something called alliteration. Alliteration is the use of the same beginning consonant sound in a line or verse. The example is one that I think you've probably heard. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Or if I say it faster, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The alliteration in that sentence is the letter P. P. It has the same sound. Please pause the video and open your reading notebook and write the word alliteration and what it means. Also, please add the example, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Please pause the video now. Sometimes alliteration can be called a tongue twister. What that means is that there are so many of the same sound in the sentence, it makes it kind of difficult to say it really, really fast. Here are 3 examples of poems written using alliteration. The first poem is She Sells Seashells by the Seashore. Now, that one is a little bit tricky to say fast. She sells seashells by the seashore. Pause the video and try and read that poem as fast as you can and see if you can get all of the words correct. The next poem is written with the alliteration of the S sound. Soft, smooth snow falls silently from the sky. The snow is so silvery and small. Slowly you slip and slide on the snow. The alliteration in this poem, soft, smooth snow. Notice here, this word does not have to have the same consonant sound at the beginning in order for it to be in an alliteration sentence. Continuing on, we also have the words silently, sky, snow, so silvery and small, slowly slip, slide, snow. The final example is the ice cream cone poem. It's a fun one to read, and you're going to hear why. Mustard, mango, mayonnaise munch, blueberry butter, bacon bites, peppermint pickle pinwheel, cabbage cricket crunch, strawberry salsa swirl. Each word in those ice cream flavors starts with the same sound. So mustard, mango, mayonnaise munch, blueberry butter, bacon bites, and so on. Now I'm going to show you what fun you can have with alliteration. I'm going to show you 4 sentences that I wrote. The first one is, pumpkin posed for a perfect picture. Okay, and in that sentence, the alliteration is the letter P. The next one, Ms. Matnich makes marvelous mashed potatoes. The alliteration in this sentence is the letter M, or the sound. The next one, the fancy fox found feathers. And you've probably recognized that the alliteration in this sentence is the letter F. And my final sentence, the dizzy duck dabbled in the water. And again, I'm sure you recognize that the alliteration in this sentence is the letter D, or the D sound. What's next? Please watch video 2 to hear some tongue twister alliterations. After you have watched both alliteration videos, use the template to write 4 of your own animal alliterations. Have fun!